How to fix Instagram picture quality on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Android and iOS phones. First, go to Play Store and here make sure your Instagram is updated, and if you found here update, just click on it, and if that doesn't fix your problem and you have an Android or iOS phone, just go to Instagram, go to your account and then click the storylines in top, click settings. Now click accounts and then click scroll down and click cellular data use, and here we'll find data saver disable it, or you can just make it like that and make sure this one is for Wi-Fi and cellular, and that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.